In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a map in WordPress with Elementor. Elementor is a great plugin to use when you want to create attractive pages on your website. It gives a lot of customization options, which makes it easier to edit pages in WordPress compared to the default WordPress editors. To edit pages with Elementor, first you need to install and activate the Elementor plugin. Now, I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now, go to Pages and click on All Pages. Here, the default page editor is open, and to edit this page with Elementor, you need to click on this blue button. This is the Elementor editor. To add a map, just go to where you want to add it. Then just drag and drop the map element in the section. And as you can see, the map was added here. Here you can enter the location you want to display on the map. You can zoom in on the map from here and change the height of the map from here. In the style settings, you can add some CSS filters here. You can add blur, change brightness, contrast, saturation, etc. Then, in the advanced settings, you can add margin and padding from here, like this. You can also add motion effects from here. You can add a border on the map from here, too. Select the border type. And you can see in the preview the border was added. You can also add background, change positioning, and add custom CSS. And that's it. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.